Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Fiverr not working. If Fiverr is not working on your phone, do not worry. This is a common issue and can be fixed easily. First, check your internet connection and because Fiverr needs stable Wi-Fi or mobile data to work properly. Then try opening any other app to confirm your connection is working fine. Then swipe off from the bottom of your screen and close the Fiverr app completely and then wait for a few hours and reopen it. This helps fix small glitches that stop the app from working. If it still does not work, restart your phone. This clears temporary system errors and refreshes the app. Then, if the issue continues, clear the app's cache from your phone settings. Go to settings on Android. This removes corrupted data. You can also try logging out and logging back in into your account. Now your Fiverr app should start working again normally. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.